Hey everybody, so you have been in a hit and run and you don't know what to do, you don't know where to turn. What's next? We're going to get to that today, but before we get there, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along where I will make sure that your future injury case is protected. So, hit and run, tough situation, not much insurance, if any insurance. You don't find the other driver. What do? In most states, they either require or have an option for something called UM, or uninsured motorist coverage. That is what's called a first-party benefit as opposed to a third-party benefit, because the first party is you, and on your own insurance policy, you can protect yourself from a hit-and-run situation or if the other driver is uninsured. What would happen is you would file first a claim against your own insurance company to try to settle that case, because you actually are going after your own insurance company, because guess what? If it's a hit and run, that other driver's gone. You don't even know what insurance company they have. So the only recourse is to actually sue your own insurance company. Now, let me make something very clear, because this is a very hot topic. Number one, your insurance rates by law cannot go up if you're not at fault for a crash. Number two, you pay for these benefits every single month. So you should not feel bad going after your own insurance company. Number three, the moment that you get in a car crash and you get hurt, your insurance companies turn their back on you. Their job goes from making sure you have coverage to making sure they don't pay you. So you should not feel bad, even though it's your own insurance company, even if it's a friend who's your broker. Do not let them convince you that they care about you, because guess what? Insurance companies, when you get in a car crash, they do one thing. They value your case based on what they expect to pay, and then they try to pay you as little as possible. If you get in a crash, if you contact your own insurance company, they're going to try to get you to settle really cheap if they know that it's a hit and run situation. If you settle really cheap and you sign off on your case, even in a hit and run, you do have money to recover if you have UM insurance, and you shouldn't be afraid to raise a claim with your own insurance through a lawyer. A lawyer will make sure that you set up that claim the right way and you don't waive your right at that money, and they will actually file a lawsuit against your own insurance company if they have to. Now, the really interesting part about this, people on a jury do not feel bad at all making an insurance company pay for your damages. But typically, if the other driver's insurance, let's say that it wasn't a hit and run, and you actually are suing that individual driver, the word insurance is not allowed to be mentioned at trial if the other driver were to have not been a hit and run type of situation. But in a hit and run, you actually sue your own insurance company, so your own insurance company doesn't want to actually be in the chair of defendant, because they know that they can't avoid the jury knowing that it's just an insurance company paying you. So these kinds of cases do settle more frequently out of court, because an insurance company doesn't want to play the role of defendant, because they know that juries could give a shit about making an insurance company pay you, but they do care if they think that an individual is paying you out of their pocket, which is the way that the court systems sort of are designed, because you can't mention that an insurance company is representing that other driver if that's the case. But if you're suing your own insurance company for first-party UM, or uninsured motorist benefits, they have to sit in the role of the defendant's chair, and they can't hide behind a defendant. So those cases are really interesting, can settle for a really nice amount of money, and you shouldn't be afraid to bring one, because number one, your insurance rates cannot go up if you are not at fault for a crash. Number two, you pay for these benefits every single month anyway. And number three, if you don't do something about it, the only person who's going to suffer is you, and your insurance company really wants you to not do anything about it, because they will try to convince you that you don't have a case, number one, or that you are not entitled to money. Make sure to get an opinion from an actual personal injury lawyer to make sure that you are not being screwed over out of money that you deserve in your hit and run, because you can definitely have a good case with your hit and run. Before we end today, make sure to hit that subscribe, follow along, where I will make sure that your future injury case is protected. Thanks so much.